Hi, my name is Kaldas Balasubramanian. I'm gonna talk about the first question of tutorial 1. There are 6 major types of e-commerce. The first one is business to business. Next is business to consumer, consumer to consumer, consumer to business, business to administration, and finally consumer to administration. For the first one, business to business, the example is Alibaba. Alibaba is an e-commerce platform which caters to both Chinese and global consumers through the majority of its transactions and which are generated domestically. Alibaba advertises their product here, and there is more focus to business because there is an option where anyone can buy in bulks and could get the product for potentially way cheaper in order for better resale profit margins. This encourages businesses to deal directly through Alibaba services in order to obtain the product for their best possible price. For the next business to consumer model, the example is Lazada. Lazada Group is a Southeast Asian e-commerce company founded by the Rocket Internet in 2012 and is also owned by Alibaba Group. The reason why Lazada is categorized as business to consumer business is because that the e-commerce site allows business to advertise their product, which in order allows consumers to browse through their website to identify their best interests. Consumer to consumer. The example for this is Carousel. Carousel is a smartphone and web-based consumer-to-consumer marketplace for buying and selling new and second-hand goods. Carousel falls under the category of consumer to consumer because the whole business model is targeted around individuals who want to sell their used products or pre-owned products to other people. The next model is consumer to business. The example for this is Custom. Custom is an online marketplace for new car buyers to compare exclusive offers from custom certified dealers upfront and also sell their cars within 30 minutes. Custom is categorized under consumer to business because it allows the consumers to put up their cars online and have the custom certified dealers to take a look into their cars, and whomever is interested can make an offer and take the car of the consumer's hands. The fifth major e-commerce model is business to administration. The example of this is Achela.com. Achela is categorized as a business to administration platform because the software company that provides round-the-clock public access to government services for asset management, emergency response, permitting, planning, licensing, public health, and public works. And for the final part, consumer to administration, the example of this is MyEG. MyEG is an example of consumer to administration because it helps connect consumers and the government body, which allows consumers to make online payment, for example, help to pay water bills, electric bills, road taxes, and many more other services.
Hi, my name is Arvind Taran. I'll be answering the second question for this tutorial 1. One of the B2C e-commerce retail industry which I have chosen is a pet product company as known as a Green A. Green A is a growing production and trading sector in Malaysia and also rest of the world. Green A concentrate on importing and exporting animal food and consumers related products. The food is made from the finest ingredient and complete nutrition. So there's a two product for under Green A company. One of that is guar gum powder and also guar milk. The value chain of this company and one of the compartment of the value chain is design. Design is to ensure that the company designs the product based on their requirement and also customers interest. Second component is actually production. Production is to ensure the product is actually safe and healthy, and also product production runs smoothly. The third value chain component is distribution, where we actually focus on the distributing channels, on how we're going to distribute the products, and also to ensure the products are safely distributed. And the fourth value chain is marketing, to ensure the product is going to be marketed to whom and where is the product going to be marketed. And the last one is support. Support is to get the feedback from the consumers, and also customer service for all the consumers and also other peoples. And the last one is illustration from raw material to finished product. So the first step is seeds are yield from the crops. Second, harmonizing approval of each batch. Third, product is certified to be packaged. And the fourth, products are packed in 25 kg or 50 kg with a polystyrene inner bag. Fifth, packages are stacked in the warehouse. And the sixth, packages are moved into containers. And the last is the containers are transported to port for shipment. So these are the illustration from raw materials to the finished product.